400 cargo variant. Look at that. Bro, it's loud. I've seen one before. I've posted one before. Come check out my channel. And it did not sound like this. Too loud. Okay, we're dropping down, the engines. This time I'm actually gonna realize the wheel is turning. Bro, look at the tail. If y'all wanna like track this flight, you can. In the comments I'll drop the ID. I'm gonna drop down to this rock real quick. Bro, the gear count, the everything. You know what? I don't need to show y'all the ID. Is this all those takeoff sound? Bro, sounds like a Southwest, but like, mute-ish. I'm not bagging. It's just beautiful.